Yep. Um, it's the end of the week, or at least for everything but crypto. It's Friday, 3 o'clock, but I'm gonna tap on in and give a give a brief top down, and then just talk about current price action. So here we are looking at the monthly time frame. So we're about to dive straight in. Of course, 6 days and 5 hours left for this month to end. And just want to bring this to your attention. You know, what is price doing on the monthly, and which phase is price in on the monthly? So, because of last month giving us this sale here, you can say price has started its retracement phase. Now, understanding price gave us this bearish candle pattern here. It did not quite disrespect this or the low of this month. It did not close below. It did not close beyond the low of this month. It closed, below the open of it, which, yes, um, signal it or identify as a bearish candle pattern. Um, but again, that's why analyzing this on this monthly time frame, understanding which phase it is in, what it has done, pushed up into this level above this monthly high, and then immediately reversed. But what did it do there? And that's when you scale in to the weekly time frame. And like I say, focus on the current swing. I mean, of course, we know what price been doing. You feel me? Big stepper, expansion, corrective, impulsive, corrective, expansion, retracement, impulsive, corrective, expansion, retracement, impulsive. You feel me? So we're going to focus on the current swing, impulsive, corrective, and when price was coming down, we all know said we're targeting the weekly IPA. Price can come down into this weekly IPA and use it as support to get the continuation to the upside, which price came down, did exactly just that, printing a long leg doji or hammer. And then this candle pattern pushed down and gave us this bullish engulfing, giving us the buy on the weekly time frame, which can signal price to go up into weekly take profit 1, weekly take profit 2. Then we have monthly take profit 1 and the monthly take profit 2. You feel me? So I like that. Oh yeah. Yeah, I like that. Ooh, yeah, I like that. So we gonna roll. So just like that, open it up for you. Analyzing the current swing, expansion or impulsive, corrective, and what? Impulsive to the upside. Now, if all the price action in between this current swings is a retracement, so now we would need price to we will need price to come on up and come into this swing high, come into this level here, this weekly swing high, and we will need price to break through and close above it. Yeah, I mean, it can come into these take profit, but we need price to close above it and then give us some corrective price action, you know, and then we can get something like that. You feel me? Something. But we don't want to see price come into this. We don't want to see price come into this and then immediately reverse. That's what we don't want to see. Because once price after pushing up, once price close above this level, let me get it precise. Boom. Right here. Once price closes above this, the close of this bullish candle here, right here, once price close above this level, then that will be considered a higher high, right? So if price push up and close above this level here, it will be considered a higher high. So then this will then, can I get it? Yeah. This will then become weekly structure, right? If price pushed up and closed above this level, even right here, if price closed above this level and came into this level and respected it, and then we gotta immediately or price come into this level here or even push above it somehow. But if price push up into this level and then immediately turn around, that will be creating this a higher high, which will solidify this as a higher low. This will be swing point, or this will be structure, and then price can come down and you know break a structure here to the downside, and then if it wants to retrace or whatever and do what it do. But I'm saying that only because remember what part of the market phase price is in here on the monthly. With this sale, that's what you will be looking for, something like that, because of the price action we are encountering with this impulsive, corrective, and now we're getting this continuation to the upside. Bullishly, yes, we want to see price push up, get into these take profits, and keep going with bullish price action. But if that monthly bearish candle pattern right here is significant and going to do something, then you will see price come into this, respecting this, but creating a higher high and then turn around and breaking structure to the downside. That's what you will see. But as for now, we see what I'm saying. I'm just going off of current price action, and price is bullish. So now to to tune into what price is doing right here on this weekly time frame. We scale in to the daily. And I mean, we can show current price action. But boom. So this is the look. This is the daily price action that's inside of that weekly move, that previous or that most recent weekly swing right here. Swing to swing. And this is the daily price action inside of those weekly candles. Now we're going to focus on the most recent swing on the daily, and that's this daily structure. We got this swing to swing, and all of this has been a retracement. So we're reading the retracement and have been doing so in all of my previous videos. But when price got here at this weekly IPA down into this snipe zone of this Fibonacci, swing to swing, came down to this snipe zone, and what did price encounter? Inverted head and shoulder pattern. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Dip down into this snipe zone, gave us a impulsive followed by a bearish impulsive. And what did I say? My previous video, I even brought it out, that what impulsive move followed by an impulsive move is more times than not what? A reversal. And what followed this impulsive move? Corrective price action, the retracement, and then this continuation here that we are encountering right now. So tapping into this price action, now price what came and engulfed this weekly high with this daily candle, and price is what internally retracing inside of this daily candle here. Price is internally retracing inside of it. And now price got here to this weekly high that it pushed above. We got previous week high here. And price what? Got here. And now we seeing a push up from here. Right? Getting a continuation after retracing inside of this daily candle. Just reading price action. Right? So now current price action on the 8 hour. Feel me? Current price action. Got this impulsive and then what? Corrective. 8 hour structure. Here we go. Swing to swing. You see the Fibonacci. You see the take profit levels here. You got this impulsive move here, followed by what? Corrective price action. Price came down into this weekly high. Again, boom, tagged it, and we off into these take profits. You know what I mean? It is something that I called out. Yeah, it is something that I called out. Um, oh yeah, I mean it was right there too. Um, it is something that am currently in. You feel me? This zone here is the area between this previous week high and this weekly high. You see? So, as you can see, tagged it, and we up. You know, we up. It's live. No games. And then, like, I'm looking at the price action of this, and then these candles coming up, and I'm watching it. It haven't shown me signs of this price action, this bullish price action right here. It's not showing me signs like of it being a retracement inside of this little impulsive move here. It's not showing me signs of that. So, but I was looking, and just so I went down to this 4 hour to see what price action is we receiving here, and getting this impulsive price action, price just retracing inside of that. Can see price continue on. So I'm riding it. Don't see. I mean, price did push up into this previous day high and respected it with this hit. Then came up and respected it with this hit, creating this what you would call a shooting star. Um, but I'm gonna say, you know, man, I'm gonna say. So there you have it, though. Um, yeah, current price action, a nice little top down analysis, and like I say, still, hey, here we go. You know, so we looking at it. Hmm. Like I said, we know price. We know price sold off here, right here, on the monthly time frame. So we can't get it deeper. You know, price can't go and give us a deeper push down. You know, if it wanted to, it can still, you know what I'm saying, not come up into this price. Once price come up into this high, then that will signal that it was a continuation attempt. But if price, like where is that now, like if price started selling lower, then that would just be giving us bearish internal price action. You know what I mean? If that was then we would be looking at something like, you know what I'm saying, bearish downtrend inside of this impulsive move. You know what I mean? You would get this bearish structure. You know what I mean? And then you can get something like that, like it just did. Inverted head and shoulder pattern or something. You know, could do something like that. But just looking, reading, analyzing price action, and reading it for what it is. And but we looking at price to encounter this continuation by using this weekly IPA as support, weekly IPA as support. But yeah, boom, boom. You heard it here first, baby. Snipe Goat, the candle reading guru. Everybody, man. Tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm on the way.